Oh wow, my face is so white from all the sun cream. Haha. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is 6:45 a.m. here in Hurghada, Egypt, and today is day 2 of my scuba diving training. So yesterday with day 1, I was in the swimming pool. I was with 4 other beginners. We were in the baby pool because we're baby beginners. Today, we're in the Red Sea. Yesterday I was really excited and a little bit nervous, and now the nerves are starting to go up. Like I'm starting to get a little bit scared, just because I know that we're going to be doing all the activities that we did yesterday. We're going to be doing all of that today in the sea. Oh god, that is some really scary shit. Not as scary as my white face right now. Blimey, I look like I painted myself. Well, technically I have painted myself. It's what you have to do when you're in Egypt. Yep, here's another tip. When you are in Egypt and it is so hot, let's see what the temperature is right now. So it's 6:45 a.m. right now. Oh, 33 degrees. I am starting to sweat already. So yeah, make sure you paint your face and you paint your whole body with a shitload of sun cream. I showed you what the balcony in the street was like last night. Let me show you what it is during the day. Wow, it's a massive contrast to the night, isn't it? It's like a dead street. Well, it is a dead street at 6:45 a.m. Following on from last night's conversation, I know I probably scared the living daylight out of all of you guys who want to learn how to scuba dive, were considering going for a course, and now I might have just completely put you off. Please do not be scared. Yes, it is uncomfortable. Yes, it is scary, but look, if I can do it, honestly, flipping anyone can do it. Let me see if I can show you around this hotel a little bit. It's not as nice as a hotel I stayed in with my dad and granddad when we were here in February, right? Myself and my dad, we flew my grandfather out to Egypt for his 90th birthday. So it was a very, very special holiday. Make sure you watch that video as well on my channel. Bring on day 2 scuba diving, right? Today I'm not gonna be scared. Wow, this is empty, so you're going to see the pool at 7 o'clock in the morning. So if you want to see an empty pool, come at 7 a.m. That bit over there is where breakfast is, so I'm going to head down there right now. Look who's come to join me for breakfast, because I'm just a lonely little one sitting here on my own, aren't I, Steve?
Good morning.
How you doing?
I'm alright.
The professional scuba diver, I feel privileged.
Oh, no. I'm the privileged one.
Have you got words of wisdom for me? Because I am shitting myself, I'm not going to lie. Today's first day in the Red Sea. I'm genuine. I didn't sleep properly last night because I was having nightmares about it.
What you got to remember is, the sea is always nicer than the swimming pool.
Really?
Yeah.
How
really
is the sea nicer than the swimming pool?
Really dangerous animals around swimming pools, called humans, get in your way and throw things at you and balls.
And swear at you.
And wee in there and all sorts. Whereas in the sea, it's full of fish, it's nice, there's loads of distractions, it's beautiful, and yeah, you'll have a great day. Just immerse yourself.
Right, that's it, I'm fired up now. Pink gear. It's Steve's? Yeah, it definitely is Steve's, isn't it?
In the UK
The lady in pink. I'm so excited.
We're on the boat!
Our first day on the boat. Can you guys see the Red Sea in the background? Oh, what's happening to the light? There we go,
Yeah.
there we go, there we go.
Beautiful.
Holly, this is it. We're now going into the Red
Not
Sea.
messing around. We're not in a meter pool anymore.
Yeah, not
We're
in a
the
baby
ocean.
pool. We're doing the real shit right now, flipping it. It's exciting and scary at the same time.
Yeah, terrifying.
Let's do this. We're not going to be pussies. We're going to do it.
Yes!
Look at this sexy gear.
Brass fittings. Yeah, literally just over hand tight, just nip it. The best friend for cable ties, right, is nail clippers. Never need to burn them because feel that smooth as a baby's bum.
It's all these little knacks that people don't know about. For example, you don't use a pizza cutter, you use scissors.
My name's Azra, and I cut pizza with scissors.
What is it you're doing here? What is this?
This is free for the dive.
So this is like a map
Yes,
for where
like-
the divers are going to go. Hey Aswani, I will push you.
Come and jump.
I will push you first.
Are you coming up? I push you.
No, you don't push me, I push you. Look at this lady in pink, the lady of the sea.
You not even now?
No, no. Well, I'm not drift diver. These are advanced people, I am baby.
You all here.
Yes.
Okay. Look at Holly with her kit. Right, check my regulator.
Oh, your fins.
Got air.
I thought it was these, but someone's
Do
playing.
the other one. Check my BCD. Whoa, that's tight. Azrak. Bismillah.
Allahu Akbar.
Favourite part, put your fins on.
No, I feel like a penguin. Oh my gosh, I can see all this fish. Wow.
Oh no, these are the ones that bite my knees.
Oh, don't say that. Make it a little bit tighter with the arm.
Black and white stripes and the yellow bit.
Aswani.
I think it's fit. Hey guys, I just completed my first dive! Just look at this bad boy. This is Steve's camera, underwater camera, right Steve?
That's the one.
Ready for
ready for taking pictures of you.
Of me? Oh, thank you,
And
sir.
everyone else.
So just talk us through this. What? That's the lights and.
That is, they're their flash guns.
Wow. So this is a two-hand job. Like you've got to be hands-on with it.
Yeah, you just have to get it set up and change it.
That's something only for a pro diver of your level.
No.
Yes.
Just concentration and practice. That's
Okay, I see. I'm looking forward to tomorrow. Some sexy photos.
Oh yes, defo.
Steve, I completed my first diving day. How was I? I know you had to come down and save me a few times. But
No,
go on.
you did really well.
I did?
Yeah.
Oh, do you know what? I really enjoyed it.
Good.
Everything that everyone said that was scaring me about, oh, you're going to feel this kind of pressure, that pain, this and that, none of it was true.
No,
I felt no pain going down, no pain. But everyone else felt pain. It was just me who didn't feel anything.
Yeah, I don't know. It's one of those things, isn't it? Everybody has different ears and things like that. But
So my ears are
taking
tough,
the time,
right?
maybe, or you know, just took nice time getting down, nice and
Yeah.
relaxed,
Equalising,
equalising.
all that good stuff. First day done.
Well done.
Thank you. Holly, it's our third day on the boat. No, second day on the boat, but third day diving, right? Yeah. I'm ready this time. Today I'm very, very excited. I don't feel any fear today.
No. Fine, we're pros.
We are absolute pros now. It's done, it's official. And today we get our license. He's let me drive. What do I do?
Yeah, it goes. My camera goes on there.
That is very cool. Nothing like mine and my little GoPro, right? Just finished second dive. No, wait. Second day on the boat. So just finished second day on the boat. So that was my fourth dive. And Mr. Steve took some bad boy photos. Look at his camera. Yo! Look at him wash that beast. I can't wait to see these photos, Steve. Oh.
I'll show you a teaser now if you want.
Oh, a teaser.
Teaser.
I really hope the photo I took of you was good.
I'd imagine it would have been. There's one of you.
Yo!
Okay guys, so this is the end of the open water course out in Brigada with Divers Lodge and myself, Steve and Danielle. All I'd like to really say is fantastic, well done, it's been really good fun. You know, this is the beginning of your underwater journey and you've earned it. You've done this yourself, so capture their smiles mate, not mine. You know, this is the beginning. Yeah, so what I'd like to do now, we've already checked all these, but if I can then dish these out, well done, and then well done you guys. Absolutely round of applause to yourselves. And I'll see you under the water again soon. Thank you. Bye. So guys, congratulations, you've all graduated as open water divers now. Congratulations. Oh, come on, twice. Seriously. Well done, Rick, Paul. Well done.
I have now officially completed 2 days of diving in the Red Sea. 1 day was in the swimming pool, which was my very, very first day. So now you, my friend, are looking at an officially qualified scuba diver. But come on, get it! We did it, we did it, we did it. First day of diving in the Red Sea. Of all the days, the sea could be choppy, the sea could be rough, the sea could just be being a dick, It had to be that day. So even just looking at the waves was petrifying. Now, none of this is filmed, which is why I'm telling you, I was too shit scared to focus on anything else apart from surviving. I was more concerned about my life than the camera. So the sea, the waves are like shoom, 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 and I'm like, oh, you're shitting me. Everyone is panicked. And then we had the instructor, even he looked at the waves thinking, oh my goodness, this is not good for a first dive. Jumped in, because I'm already panicked, I'm already, fear is like up to here, just rising, rising, rising. I'm really, really scared. When you're scared, you don't think right, you don't breathe right, you don't do anything right. So even though I have a regulator in my mouth that's giving me air, I'm not breathing properly, the waves are just hitting me left, right and center, I'm struggling to swim. I'm a very competent swimmer, a very strong swimmer, and suddenly I am not able to swim. It's like someone has just come out of nowhere and stripped something away from you that you've had your entire life. So you get even more scared. The more scared you get, the less you breathe. So the first activity is put your head under the water in this choppy sea. Head goes in, your regulator comes out, and you have to put your snorkel in. Put the snorkel in, breathe a couple times, take that out and put the regulator back in, breathe the regulator and then come back up. Then it was time to descend. Oh! I'm getting scared even thinking about it. I know there's background music is not helping me right now with this terrifying story, but just listen to me because this was freaking terrifying, I'm telling you. So imagine you're already scared, the panic is up to here, you can't swim properly, you're not breathing properly, you tried to do an activity that you couldn't do. I almost failed that activity, but you cannot fail anything. If you fail any activity in this course, you cannot get qualified as a scuba diver, so you have to pass each assessment. So I'm trying and trying and trying until I do pass, because I did not come out to Hurghada, Egypt to fail. I started to descend because I had no choice what we're gonna do. And I'm going down and I'm not breathing properly and the waves are choppy and the current is strong. And then I just turn around and I see Mr. Steve's face, right? And he's looking at me going, so he was like a backup teacher for me, right? Absolutely incredible scuba diving teacher he is, by the way. So as soon as I saw his face, all the panic just went. And I floated to the bottom like a mermaid. Different types of fish that I see in documentaries and TV shows, I was seeing it for myself with my own eyes. It was incredible. I saw this whole school of colourful fish swim past me and I was just looking at them in absolute awe. I got all the way down to the seabed. I'm sitting on the freaking seabed. That as well, I just can't get over that. I'm sitting on the sea at the bottom of the ocean. It was just so cool, so surreal, so magical. I was a freaking mermaid. That dive was about 37 minutes. After that dive, had lunch. After lunch, second dive. We're doing 2 dives every day. How cool is that? When we got to the bottom, we had to do the activity that I hate the most. I was dreading, I was panicking about, I flipping hate it. We are now 17.5 meters deep. And we have to remove our mask, 17.5 meters deep, put our mask back on, which is now completely flooded with water, and we have to remove the water from our mask underwater, 17.5 meters deep. So here we go, here's a mask. So it fully covers, oh look how cool I look in my summer dress and my mask. So it fully covers your eyes and your nose. So you can imagine when you put your mask back on, you removed it underwater, you put your mask back on, up to your nose as well, you're fully flooded with water, the whole thing is flooded. Imagine that much water, okay, all the way up to here, and now you have to remove the water underwater. It is horrible, but your girl did it. I should be getting my paper card license tomorrow. I cannot wait. Bring on day 3 of diving in the Red Sea.